This is Excel 2016, Module 7, Part 7. And in this section, we're going to be looking at the commenting feature within Excel. So let's get back into our winter workbook. So one thing I want to point out, in your homework, if it says click on J2 and enter a comment that reads, this is a comment. They do not want you to click in the cell and start typing, this is a comment. Because this is not a comment. This is text in a cell. What they want you to do is they want you to go to the Review tab. There's a comment group there. Comments can be used to give information to the creator of the worksheet, or they can be used to provide extra information for the user. They're used a lot when collaborating and multiple people are working on the workbook. So what they want you to do is they want you to click on J2, come up here to this comment group and click on the new comment. They want you to type here, this is a comment. If they ask you to remove any information that was automatically inserted into the comment, they want you to remove the username. And so they're trying to get you to have it look like this, where this is a comment would be the first thing that you would see in the box. When I click somewhere else, you'll notice there's a red triangle. That red triangle tells me that there is a comment there, and if I hover over the cell, I can read it. If I click on the cell, it will be active. Okay, so let's take a look at what they have us do in the textbook. So we're going to click on cell A2. And we are going to add a new comment. So we're going to go up to New Comments. And it brings up the comment. It has, again, our username. Now we're going to type in the comment. Enter all data from the registration form into cells B3 through B11. And if you compare what I typed to what's in the text, you would notice that this word form, they did not have capitalized. So I would need to change that. Otherwise, the SAM grader would in fact mark things wrong. Now when I click somewhere else, you notice that it hides the comment. If I point to this cell, it shows the comment. If I click on this cell, it shows the comment. If I wanted it to show me all the comments that are in this workbook or worksheet, I can click this Show All Comments and it would make them all visible. And now I realize I have made an error. The data is not in the cells B3 through B11. It's actually in B3 through B12. So if I click on that cell, I can come up here and choose Edit Comment. And then I can make that change. When I click somewhere else, it will fix that data, and you can see it changed it. Now maybe I wanted to put a note in here for someone to fix something. So let's say I clicked here and entered a new comment and said, did we finalize fee of 80 or is it 85? And so the person who has to answer that question, they came in and they clicked on that and they said, oh yeah, we did finalize it. It's supposed to be 80, that's the right answer. So they can just simply come up here and say delete that comment and remove it. Now notice when you click on that cell, the comment is gone. Let's go down and find the discount on the invoice. We're going to add another new comment. This time we're going to say this if function determines whether to allow the Rockport resident discount. And you want to make sure when you're doing this for homework that you also include any punctuation that they give you. The typing must be exact. So again, you have options up here. You could delete, you could edit, you could show all of them. So these are some of the options that you have working with comments. But please remember, if they're asking for a comment, they do not want you to type that text in this cell. They want you to use the commenting feature on the Review tab. Next, we're going to work with macros.